Hi everyone, how are you? I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Chaudhary Computers and Commercial College. Today I will tell you how to crack UGC NET. First of all, prepare consistently. You can easily clear the exam if you prepare well for at least 2 to 3 months regularly. Because the secret of success is consistency of purpose. Start learning now concepts each day and practice them by writing, and that is the symbol for victory. Then solve previous year papers. Solving previous year papers will give you an edge to do the exam well. After that, start your preparation now. Don't wait till the exam notification comes. Start your preparation instantly because tomorrow may be too late. If you start your preparation early, then you will have ample time to revise what you have learned and practiced and face the exam more confidently. Be proactive. Begin your preparation with subjects in which you have keen interest. Prepare them well. Then concentrate, focus upon other subjects too to gain mastery over them. After that, attempt maximum questions. Try to attempt as many questions as you can because candidates generally do not go through the questions properly. And immediately make the decision that questions are tough. It's not a good practice. The truth is that the questions are asked in an indirect way. So try to reach each question at least twice so that you will be able to get an idea about how to solve those questions. After that, make best use of time and opportunity. Another common problem is that candidates generally do not utilize 2.5 hours given for paper 3 regularly, yeah, 3 properly. To make the best use of those 2.5 hours, you have to learn and practice a lot to see your dream come true. Nothing is impossible in life. Just like little drops of water makes a huge ocean. Little amount of hard work every day for some months will yield amazing career progressing results. If I talk about timings, we are very comfortable when it comes to timing of the classes. However, we always request you to fix up a slot when in advance to avoid inconvenience. The usual duration for a class is 2 to 3 hours. If I talk about duration, the total minimum duration to cover all the syllabus it will be in 3 months. If I talk about some salient features, we are highest result across in the area. Maximum we are providing 15 students per batch. Practice test in routine, weekly mock tests. All tests will be on OMR sheets for better practice. Best faculties in the region, UGC NET, PhD qualified faculties we are having. Study material included we are having. 100% syllabus coverage. Paper 3 on objective pattern. Comfortable batch timings we are having. Amicable environment we are having. Full access to faculties, open door policies. So the classroom teaching will be in group of maximum 15 students per batch. Our faculty members are subject matter experts like UGC NET qualified or PhD qualified and have several years of teaching experience to UGC NET and other related domains. So thank you so much. If you need any kind of counseling, you can visit here at Chaudhary Computers and Commercial College, Rajpura. We're always here for you from the last 54 years. Thank you so much. Be happy.